morning, guys. It's another day. We're still here at Hakuna Matata. Look at the weather. Pakita ko sa inyo. The weather is sunny. Pinagbigyan na naman tayo ni Lord. Time check, it's 8:15 in the morning. So, kakagising lang din namin. Nagpalit lang for swimming and then nag-toothbrush na rin. Now, let's go down to the resto. Let's have breakfast. Let's go. Samahan nyo kami. Natalia is still sleeping, so we might leave her here in the room for Natalia is just gonna follow us. Okay, Natalia, just go down. See you at the restaurant, guys. Sobrang ganda pa rin, guys, talaga. Lalo na ngayon, visible yung araw. The sun is hitting the water. Mas lalong nakita yung ganda na dagat dito sa Pagudpud. Breakfast muna tayo, guys. Bacon. Walang kamatayang bacon. Walang kamatayang longganisa. Ito po ba yung vegan longganisa? Ilocos. Ilocos.
Wow, Nate, look at your food. Pwede po humingi na.
Sarap pala ng Ilocos longganisa. Thank you. So, ang order natin ay Ilocos longganisa. We have bacon. We have ham and cheese omelette. Of course, favorite ni Natalia. Busog? B?
Yeah.
How about you? Are you busog also? Yeah, we just had breakfast and lounge muna kami dito for a while. Sarap. Oh my gosh. Look at the sea. So blue.
Yeah. Well, it's called Blue Lagoon for a reason.
Yeah.
What? This is an abandoned resort that was struck by a typhoon.
So look at their stuff.
Ay, parang na-feature nga ito. Parang may mga nakatira. Not sure.
Tip to over. Yeah.
Look at those.
Baka yung iba, meron pa din.
Sira-sira yung mga ano. Yung mga bubong.
Even the houses are broken.
Ayun naman, look oh.
Probably
Sayang.
needs a lot of money to fix this.
Yeah. It's been heavily damaged.
I want this to be.
They have pa naman a private like beach in front.
Hi, kuya. Oo. Pagka ano lang, cottage, swimming lang kami. 500 the whole ano na yan. Buong araw. May ligo. May paliguan na. Ayun, pwede na dito.
Oh, sige. Pero ikot muna tayo.
Ikutin lang namin tapos balikan.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Ganda. Wala bang may aircon?
Siguro pwede nga tayo doon. Dito medyo commercialized na. Tsaka nasa kabila yung ano, yung mga kubo.
Sige. Doon na tayo. Ikot ka na lang. Grabe, it's so nice. It can be.
Hindi na ako makapaghintay, guys. Nai-update kayo. We're currently here in Blue Lagoon, Pagudpud. And look at that! Grabe! White sand. The sea is literally blue at walang alon at all. So this is super friendly. And we're gonna be staying right over there. Dyan banda.
Yeah.
Dun sa wala masyadong tao. See you guys in a bit. Parking lot. So this is where we're staying for the day. It's actually nice here. Quite secluded. I think food lang yata yung wala. But yeah, that's fine. We came here for the beach anyway. Sobrang ganda ng beach, guys, talaga. It's like we're in Palawan. Right? The sand is so white. I mean, this is not comparable to Boracay, obviously, but this is the closest it can get, I guess. White sand, blue water, the wave is not that high. Good for swimming, good for kids. I think meron ding mga resort dito na that you guys can go for overnight. Pero we're just renting out this small kubo for the rest of the day. Yan. Enjoy lang namin yung beach dito.
The water is so nice. It's cool.
We can see the underwater now.
Really?
Guys, I just wanna show you. Sobrang na-appreciate talaga namin yung beach. Pasensya na kung paulit-ulit. Sobrang ganda, guys. Blue na blue.
Para siyang Boracay.
Parang Boracay nga ako. This is a bit close to Boracay. Yung sand sobrang pino. Oh. Pero mas fine pa rin yung sand ng Boracay.
Powder yun.
Powdery yung sand ng Boracay.
Parang pulburon.
Ito pulburon. So, nag-rent lang kami ng kubo dito. That's for 500 pesos the whole day na. Downside lang, wala kang ma-orderan na food dyan mismo sa place na yan. But we're gonna be walking there. Dito kami magla-lunch doon sa area na yan. Doon daw yung food. So, time check, it's already 12:35. But grabe. I know it's 12:35. Sobrang init. Pero nakababad kami sa beach. Sinusulit lang talaga namin. Since this is our last full day here in Pagudpod. Tomorrow we'll be checking out from Hakuna Matata. And we'll be heading back. Probably we'll be sleeping over at, we're thinking Vegan or La Union ulit, depende. Check na lang natin tomorrow. This has been a spontaneous trip, guys, for us. Talagang we just wanna make the most out of it since malapit na yung pasukan ni Nate. The weather has also been good to us. Thank you, Lord, talaga, for an answered prayer. See you at the restaurant. Pakita namin kung anong mga available food doon. Nakakatuwa lang yung area dito, guys, kasi it's not really that commercialized. As in, ito lang yung mga establishments. Puro mga nipa huts. This is like Boracay na wala masyadong commercial space. Commercial establishments. Look at that water, it's so blue. So iniwan lang muna namin yung gamit namin doon sa cottage while we walk to eat over here. Merong buko shake, oh. We're like locals.
Of course you look like a tourist.
Ha?
Of course you look like a tourist.
Why?
Kasi nakahubad ka.
Ay.
Normally, balot na balot sila eh.
Hindi ba dapat pag nasa beach nakaubad? We're eating at Manuel Homestay and Restaurant.
Home of the best
Home of
food.
the best food in Pagudpod. Sige nga. Check nga natin kung talaga. Taste test na naman tayo. Ano ba ang cuisine ng Pagudpod? Pasensya nyo na yung dad bod ko, guys. Okay. Meron pa sa likod.
Yes.
Ano po yung mga local na pagkain nyo po dito? Nandito lang makakain. So meron din silang classic breakfast dito, guys. The usual. Sa likod, mga paluto. But since konti lang kami, baka magsilog-silog na lang kami. Besides, si Natalia din masyado mapili rin sa pagkain. So, magano tayo. Walang kamatayang Ilocos Longganisa. Sobrang sarap kasi, no? Sarap talaga. Yung ganitong feels reminds me of El Nido, Palawan. No? Parang ganito sa El Nido.
Mas ano to, mas
Why is my
local
chin
na local.
wet and sticky?
I don't know.
your chin?
Maybe it's because of the...
See?
This is what we ordered. Ilocos Longganisa. Of course, kay Natalia, hotdog. And Ilocos Longganisa also for wifey. Walang kamatayang Ilocos Longganisa, guys. Because it's super good talaga. Kain lang kami. Hi guys! We're done with lunch. Medyo napalounge na rin kami doon ng konti kasi nakakaantok yung hangin. Sobrang init. But mas bumaba na yung ano ngayon. I think nag-low tide na lalo. So really good na for and ideal na for swimming. Basketball sila. Right now, bili lang kami ng ice cream dito. Let's check kung ano meron.
Parang wala, babe.
Ha? Are you sure?
Ano? Niti's favorite. Ay, pwede pong buksan?
Yes, ma'am po. Hi, beautiful.
What's your name? Natalia.
Ay, wow. What's a nice name.
Thank you. Mas lalo siyang gumanda, guys. Look at that.
Dito, Hermie.
There's a hermit crab on the floor.
Saan?
There. Ayan o. There. Teka, may ice cream is gonna get melt.
Miss patunaw ah.
Cream.
Do like this, malalaglag.
Is that a shark? Kata mo yun? Yun o, parang fin mo yun. Fin ba yun, B?
Parang.
Hi guys. Just a quick update. We're gonna be riding a jet ski because Natalia. Nataut! So we rented out this jet ski. Sa harap siya?
Kasi baka hindi mo mamamalayan, malaglag.
Come here, in front. Much better. So you hold the camera. Say hi!
Hi. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I wanna go faster. Even faster.
Hold the camera, ha?
Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's so bumpy. Woo! Whoa. Whoa.
Hold the camera.
Wow.
Hold the camera, anak.
I am. I wanna be the one to control.
Wait. Let's go there. Baka they might see it. Oh, there are ripples. Wait. Hold the camera. I'll be the one to hold. Hold it tight.
Oh.
May ripple.
What is a ripple?
There, no? The wave. Hold it tight, ha? Hold it tight.
Oh.
It's a bit wavy already.
Yeah. Oh. I turned the camera on.
Huh?
Okay, I turned the camera on.
Okay.
Why is it like that?
Oh! The road is bumpy.
I'm gonna go to the hospital.
Sir?
Enjoy. Hindi maalon eh, kaya ano. Go down na. Nangarag siya eh.
Am I dead?
No.
Heaven.
Of course not.
Did I pass away? Is this heaven?
No! This is back at the beach. Come on. Nate had so much fun. Ang ganda rin ng water, guys, kasi hindi siya wavy. Hindi maalon. Kaya sobrang smooth lang ng jet ski. Hinahabol ko ngayon yung golden hour because gusto mag-picture ni Janiel, magpa-photoshoot. Okay, balikan ko kayo, guys. Check nyo guys, may rainbow. Hindi ko lang sure kung kita sa ka. So this sums up our stay here in Blue Lagoon. Sobrang ganda ng beach. We'll definitely miss this. But sadly, we have to go back to Hakuna Matata. We're gonna have dinner somewhere, no?
Yeah.
Right now, magbabanlaw lang kami. Merong shower area dito. See you guys in a bit. Hi guys. So tapos na kami magbanlaw. We actually found a nice restaurant here named Rosario's. If you look at it, it's made out of stone. Dito lang din siya malapit sa Blue Lagoon. Explore lang namin tong restaurant. Ganda! Ganda ng restaurant na to, no? Wait. Let me just show our viewer. Ang ganda ng place, guys, oh.
Come on, let's go.
If you look at it.
Let's go check this. Wait lang, let's go check this. Let's still explore, parang there's something there. Come on.
Oo nga. Ang tawag dyan? Poso. Deep well. Water.
from under the ground.
Yeah.
Have to do like this. It's called poso.
This is the other side of the resto. Ayan.
You might step on these things.
Oh, okay. Thanks for telling me. This is the famous cave. Cave ba yan?
Yeah. I wish I could go to the cave.
I wonder kung sobrang lakas ng hangin dito kapag pag bumabagyo. Kasi, if I'm not mistaken, Batanes is right over there. Doon banda. Eh, diba guys, comment down below. Batanes parating binabagyo yun. Kaya meron silang mga tinatawag na stone house. Ito rin actually yung restaurant is made out of stones. Pati yung mga walls dito, ayan o. These are all made out of stones. Mukhang... Actually, the place alone parang hinagupit ng bagyo eh. Nakataob yung mga upuan. Could just imagine. Sobrang terrifying siguro dito. This is what we ordered, guys. Crispy bagnet. Sinigang na shrimp. Ayan. Nice, no? Sobrang sarap ng food dito, guys.
Start ETA. Are you sure about this, babe? Can you like open your headlights?
Sabi similar ETA daw eh.
Where are we? I'm scared.
Oh my gosh. Gaano kahaba kaya?
I don't know, babe.
What's this place?
Ikot ko ba? Or
Babe, meron naman mga foot, yung daanan, you know.
tracks?
Tracks, yeah. Footprints tuloy.
Bro, where?
Gusto na lang mataas din tong kotse, no? Dapat pala mag-mountain mode tayo.
Ayan na.
Meron na?
Oo.
Why?
It was just a short